How you guys doing? This is Derek with Dillon Woodworking. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at sandpaper. More specifically, Serious Grit sandpaper. That is the brand right there, Serious Grit. So stick around and we're going to take a look. So I am a big fan of Festool. All their tools and sanders I really enjoy. These are my two main sanders right here. This is the RTS 400. This is the ETS EC 125-3, which is a whole lot of letters and numbers meshed together to describe a sander. So this is the 5-inch. This is the 5-inch 9-hole pattern, which is really important when ordering your sandpaper. This is, I believe it's 14-hole. I could sit here and count, but I believe it's 14-hole. This is the 3x5. So both of these are my main sanders. Like I said, this is great for like panels. This one right here, great for panels, stuff like that. This is what I mainly use for like raw wood, you know, sanding doors, getting scratches out, stuff like that. That is my main go-to. So this whole video is to tell you guys about Serious Grit sandpaper. I'm a big fan. I've been using it for over a year now. I want to say it's probably closer to the 2-year mark, maybe even over 2. I can't remember when I picked it up the first time, but I've been buying it ever since. As you see, the boxes and boxes of the sandpaper. I have no need to really go back to the Festool stuff. They make great paper, Festool does, but it just seems like a little overpriced to me. And buying the Serious Grit, I'm not compromising quality because this is made really well. The hook and loop does a great job in staying fastened to the backer of the sander. I don't have to worry about it coming off, anything like that. These are a couple of the Festool sandpapers. This is the granite, this is the Reuben. Now, I know at least this stuff is around 55 bucks for a pack of 100. And that just like, it's a little pricey, especially if you're buying that much at once. The Serious Grit is about 20 bucks to 23 bucks for a box of 50. And you can usually get it for like 20. And I have a coupon code that I'll drop here that is, it'll save you an extra 10% off. So you'll be able to get it even cheaper. The Reuben is for raw wood. And I think this stuff's even more expensive than the granite, which is the blue stuff. So honestly, I found this stuff to be great. I use the 220 for sanding out primer before putting my coats of paint on. And that's worked out great. The 150 and 220 is what I sand stuff down to for either stain or the paint. And then this is some 400, no, this is 600, this is 400 here. I bought these two because I was working with some Rubio monocoat and I wanted to see did some samples. I wanted to see what the finish would look like as I sanded up through a bunch of the grits. So they have a wide variety of grits, by the way. They probably have like 15 or 20 options. And they have some other paper. This main stuff that I use constantly is the aluminum oxide, I believe is what they call it. They have some other kinds. I haven't really branched out much. Pretty soon, I just put an order in for their foam sanding pads that I'm excited about. When sanding like crown molding, stuff like that, it is gonna be so much easier because I sand crown molding right now by hand, which is a pain in the butt. So to have that foam pad to be able to sand it, I'm really excited about. I will drop a video on that stuff when I get it. But for now, I really wanted to show you guys the sandpaper, tell you about it, and go pick yourself up some Serious Grit sandpaper.